Love Island Millie and Liam Reardon have presented a united front and squashed breakup rumours as they reunited after spending weeks apart. The couple, who won last year's ITV dating show, held hands in a show of solidarity as they drove home from the airport together. Millie, 24, had been partying it up in Ibiza on a girls' holiday with fellow former Islanders Liberty Poole and Kaz Kamwi. But she was thrilled to be reunited with her beau, who collected her from the airport in his Audi. "Never needed a cuddle from my boy more than this. So happy to be back home with you," she captioned the video and added a white love heart. She took hold of Liam's hand, which was resting in his lap, and guided it over to her tan thigh. Liam also shared Millie's arrival back in the UK on his stories, where he captured his girlfriend walking through arrivals. "She's home," he wrote, adding praise hands before adding, "Doesn't look too happy about it though. Has heard saying, there she is." The pair headed back to their home in Essex where they snuggled on the sofa and watched Jurassic Park. But her holiday antics proved too much for Millie and she was seen snoozing under a blanket in front of a pile of Nando's wrappers. Liam started to creep closer to her as she was napping before making her jump, and Millie was not impressed. But Millie made sure to perk up in time for the second episode of Love Island. The couple tucked into chicken salads as they watched this year's contestants, with Millie flashing a cheeky smile to Liam. Rumours of a split were circling the couple after they'd spent a long period of time apart for the second time this year. Millie had documented her sun-soaked trip on her Instagram stories, with various former Love Islanders making appearances. She flaunted her incredible figure alongside Lucinda Strafford. In another she posed in front of a stunning view of the Spanish island and was met with hundreds of compliments in the comment section. Do you enjoy reading about celebrities? Sign up for all the best celeb news from the Mirror here. Chloe Burrows from last year's show wrote, "Give us a bloody chance," with a load of heart eye emojis. Liberty wrote, "Whoa," and Lucy Donlan added heart emojis. While his girlfriend was partying in the sunshine, Liam climbed Snowdon, in his native Wales. He also has been sharing his thoughts on the new Love Island, adding that he was looking forward to David stir things up. Do you have a story to sell? Get in touch with us at webcelebs@mirror.co.uk or call us direct 0207 29 33 033.